But now just a couple of hundred remain in India. We're talking about the gharial, a species of crocodile that's perhaps making its last stand. While the Uttar Pradesh Forest Department and World Wide Fund for Nature are helping with a captive breeding program, the gharial's fate may ultimately rest in the hands of a new ally. Siddharth Pandey has the details.
An unusual public gathering on the banks of the Ganga at Hastinapur near Meerut. Even more unusual, some of the questions for the officials present here. 50-year-old Dhanpal Singh says he's always been fearless, but today he and others admit that they are a little nervous. After a long wait, a truck pulls up with its precious cargo. In these 25 boxes, 3 years of hard work done by UP Forest Department and the WWF. 60 gharials now make the final crossing to the opposite bank.
These gharials have had an incredible journey, having traveled for over 2 days and over 600 kilometers from their breeding center. They are finally here at the banks of the Ganges.
Hastinapur has been chosen as one of the sites where more gharials will be released over the next few years. It's a gamble, but the Forest Department has invited locals to take part in the reintroduction of the gharial.
Unless you have the support from the communities living around, no conservation effort can go further.
Dhanpal decides to take the initiative. Poaching and a shrinking habitat have put the gharial on the critically endangered list. This fish eater is not known to attack man, but will the villagers accept them? The gamble, it seems, has paid off. There is now a scramble to free the remaining gharials.
जब मैंने पहले डिब्बा खोला है और अगर मैं यहाँ रहा आसपास तो मैं तो इन्हें जो है ऐसे मानूंगा कि जैसे एक अपनी संतान के लिए आदमी कमरे में उसे बंद करता है.
Officials hope to introduce more gharials in the river in the coming months, and if this program works, it could well be a combined approach to protect not just the gharial but India's national river as well. In Hastinapur, Siddharth Pandey for NDTV.